Let me give you 5 additional reasons why you should definitely sign up. Number 1, you will be able to buy from any online retailer anywhere in the world and get your items delivered to your doorsteps here in Jamaica. If you are a Jamaican living overseas, you'll be able to buy from any online retailers also and have those packages delivered to your loved one's doorstep here in Jamaica. Imagine mama not having to go to Western Union to pick up money to go pay for shipment. We will deliver our items straight to our doorstep. Number 2, places like Shein are having specials where you can spend as low as $45 US and get up to 8 items. You can ship those through us for free. Hey, that's a combo I gave you. Number 3, you'll be able to combine your shipment. Yes, you can buy from multiple online retailers and we'll combine them for you, saving you on the shipping charges. And if you're shipping bulk items, we're going to give you a 30% discount. Number 4, we deliver to you anywhere in Jamaica and we offer multiple payment methods. You can pay through PayPal, Zelle, credit or debit card. You can even do online bank transfers. If you're in the US, you can go into a Wells Fargo branch and make a deposit through the ABM or at the teller. If you're in Jamaica, you can make a deposit at the ABM at NCB or you can go to the teller. Number 5, you will be able to ship for free. You heard me right. It's not a joke, it's not a gimmick. You will be able to join our Platinum membership now for free. If you sign up now, you will become a Platinum member and pay no annual fees. Yep, as a Platinum member, you'll be able to ship 4 times per year for free. We give you a £5 coupon for you to use to reduce your shipping charges. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead now, click the link, join us today and start to ship for free.